When you create a multipack price list, it is also possible to create optional rows. Click on optional rows, click on add, provide a name. We can create an optional row for a locker. You can either decide to provide a fixed price, time, or percentage. The percentage would be a discount. The time would be an amount of time. For example, you can create an optional row for hair dryers and set 5 as a time. So this optional row will calculate 5 minutes for the use of the hair dryer. In this case, we will provide £1.50 as a price for the locker. In this field, you can add a multipack if you have created it, so that the optional row will be linked to this multipack. This means that when you sell the multipack, the optional row will automatically appear. You can also click on Select by Default, meaning that each time the optional rows appear, they will be already selected and you can unselect them if you don't require them. Click on OK and then go back to multipack price list. Now, an optional row can be linked to the whole price list. For example, if I want the locker optional row to appear each time I sell a pool pass or a gym pass, then I'll just have to click on Detail and assign the optional row here. Otherwise, if I just want the optional row to appear for a specific pass, then I will click on Rows and then go into the detail of the single row. For example, I want to sell a locker for £1.50 just to those people who purchase 50 passes. Otherwise, I want a locker to cost £2 if people purchase 10 passes.